Welcome to our tutorial on the best fruits and vegetables to grow in a hydroponic garden. Hydroponic gardening is an innovative and efficient way of growing plants without soil. Many crops can be grown using this method. Here are some particularly well suited because they adapt easily, thrive in rich water solutions, have high nutritional value, and are widely consumed. Lettuce and leafy greens. Lettuce and leafy greens like spinach and kale are ideal for a hydroponic garden. They have shallow root systems and grow quickly, making them perfect for small spaces. Herbs such as basil, mint, and cilantro thrive in hydroponic systems. They require less sunlight and grow faster, ensuring a constant supply of fresh herbs for your culinary delights. Strawberries are a popular fruit to grow in hydroponic gardens. With their shallow root system and fast growth, you can enjoy juicy, sweet strawberries all year round. Tomatoes. Hydroponic gardens are perfect for growing tomatoes. They require less space and are less prone to diseases. Enjoy the satisfaction of plucking vine-ripened tomatoes straight from the garden. Cucumbers love the controlled environment of hydroponics. They grow vertically, allowing you to maximize space. Enjoy the crispy and refreshing taste of homegrown cucumbers. Bell peppers thrive in hydroponic systems. With their vibrant colors and rich flavors, they are a great addition to salads, stir-fries, and stuffed pepper dishes. Beans such as green beans and snow peas, are excellent choices for hydroponic gardening. They produce high yields and grow quickly, providing a fresh and nutritious addition to your meals. Radishes are fast-growing vegetables that are well suited for hydroponics. Enjoy the peppery crunch of these versatile veggies, perfect in salads or as a garnish. Spinach is another leafy green that thrives in hydroponic gardens. Packed with vitamins and minerals, it can be harvested at various stages of growth, from baby spinach to fully mature leaves. Cauliflower. Hydroponics allows for optimal growing conditions, making cauliflower an excellent choice. Enjoy this nutritious vegetable in your favorite dishes, from roasted cauliflower to cauliflower rice. Melons like cantaloupe and honeydew can be grown in hydroponic gardens. With proper support, they can be trained to grow vertically, saving space while delivering sweet, juicy rewards. Blueberries can flourish in hydroponic systems. Growing blueberries hydroponically allows for precise control over pH levels, resulting in sweeter berries with higher yields. In conclusion, hydroponic gardening offers a wide range of options for growing fruits and vegetables. Experiment with different varieties to find your favorites and enjoy the benefits of fresh, homegrown produce year-round. Key takeaways: lettuce and leafy greens like spinach and kale are ideal for hydroponic gardens. Herbs such as basil, mint, and cilantro thrive in hydroponic systems. Strawberries, tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, beans, radishes, and spinach are also great choices. Cauliflower, melons, blueberries are possible in hydroponic gardens too. Hydroponic gardening is the modern and efficient way of growing plants without soil. The benefits include greater control over growing conditions, faster growth, and higher yields. Start your own hydroponic garden today and enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own fresh, nutritious, and delicious fruits and vegetables. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Happy gardening!